Today I want to show you how to clean this cylinder. What is it? Engine block. Yeah, this one is the place of gasket, and then yeah, we took the gasket. Yeah, this one to the hilux. Yeah. And then the last mechanic, yeah, he used lots of seal and then stuck everywhere. Yeah. Today we wanna show you how to clean it. Yeah. Have a cutter, yeah, like that, and then yeah, just go forward. Yeah, just clean it. Yeah. Yeah. Try to be careful. Don't. What is it? Put those dirty stuff in the engine. Yeah. The piston. Sorry. Yeah. Ayo, tarsini. Yeah, like that, like this. Yeah, just clean it as much as you can with the cutter. Yeah, nice and clean. Yeah, it's good. We use lots of glue. I forgot the name of that, but there is a special glue for the gasket, and then he used a lot, I guess, because of that. Yeah, and then this hole was closed with that glue. Yeah, and then yeah, we clean it. After that, we clean it with the cleaner. Yeah, we don't want any oil in there. Yeah. This area like that. Yeah, just clean it. Yes. Easy peasy, it means. Try to watch carefully, and then there is, if any dirt, yeah, just clean it. Yeah. And that's it. I will show you the finished product later. Yeah.